I love it. So I add some little bit of kumquat. So three of these kumquats are very nice. Yep, I did not tape myself. Well, you better use a pepper balls. Why? Because this give a little bit nicer taste kasi. Tsaka nilalagyan ko pa siya ng onions. Tsaka nilalagyan ko din ng garlic. At tsaka it's all up to you if you would like to have it a little bit spicy. Tsaka dinudurog ko siya dito sa mortar and pestle ko para to have it a very nice taste. It's a lot of work because I have a small pestle kasi wala akong malaki sa bahay. So I'm so sorry. And with that, hindi ko siya talaga kinakrush kasi kailangan ko din naman siya to be honest. So mas hindi siya mag-solidify pa rin siya. And then I am using this one. Bought this one in Vietnam. It's a very nice one. So I add it. And this is also what I bought in Vietnam. This is a powderized lemongrass, and I really like using this one. So I can go ahead and add this one. Oh. It's all up to you how you wanted it. Because for me, I always like with a lot of lemongrass, a lot of citron, a lot of chili. Mix, mix, mix. The paste that I made. Oh, masyadong mabigat yung pestle ko din sa sit sa marble. So, after that, pagkatapos nito, nalagyan ko siya ng kaunti